Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your site to Google News. So let's get right into it. Now, to add a WordPress site to Google News, pretty much most of your activities or actions are going to take place outside of WordPress. However, there is one certain thing I would like you to do, and the first thing is to install the Site Kit by Google. Now, this is an addition or an add-on for Google for WordPress, and it includes analytics, search console, AdSense, and speed. This doesn't do anything for Google News, since Google News just indexes websites by itself. However, this is a useful thing to have, so I do recommend you have it for other things. Now, to get indexed on Google News, what you need to do mainly is follow the guidelines. You can use the sign up feature, which you don't need to do. It is not required anymore to be featured. However, it is a good idea to do so. Your content just needs to meet the right guidelines, so it should not be dangerous, hateful, incite violence, deceptive, etc. And advertisements shouldn't exceed your content. There shouldn't be more ads than content. And if your content is sponsored, you do need to disclose this. Besides that, you need to provide clear dates, author bylines, information about the company or network that's issuing the news, and that should boost your chances of getting featured. Now, to do so, you will also need a sitemap. And to get this, you can use SEO plugins, or you can do it by yourself. If you have your site indexed, if you have your site published, you can just go and, in addition to your URL at the top, just write in, I'm pretty sure it's WP dash, sitemap.xml, and you should get some page. Now, I'm not sure why it's this page in particular. I'll just delete the WP, and if I just write sitemap XML, for some reason it takes me here. It should take you to your sitemap. In my case, it did not. Not sure why, but it is what it is. But yeah, get your sitemap. You can also, as I mentioned, use all-in-one SEO, and it is a very good SEO plugin to use. It's very popular for WordPress, so it will help you a lot during this process. And once you activate and install the plugin, you just go to the plugin page, go into sitemaps, and just activate the news sitemap from there, and you should be set. And after that, you just need to submit your WordPress site to Google News. And to do this, you just need to log into the Google Publisher Center, click on the Add a Publication button or link, then just you can also type in your site's URL, and a pop-up window will appear if you click on the Add Your Publication, where you'll need to confirm your URL, your name, the home country, the primary language, and then you just add the publication. You can also verify that you own your WordPress site, and this is where the site kit comes in handy, because you can connect it to your Search Console or do other verification methods. And after you're done with that, you just need to customize your publication settings, and after you do that, you're good to go. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.